In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can see your rank here in Arc Raiders. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, you are going to need to be on the Arc Raiders home menu for this. You're not going to be able to do this in-game, but essentially get in the main page, and up at the very top of this menu, you're going to see a bunch of different tabs. Go ahead and select Raider. Now, on the Raider page, you're going to see a few options down at the very bottom. You're going to want to go across these and select Trials. Just keep in mind, you do need to be level 15 before you can actually access these. So get to level 15, then go ahead and open up the Trials section, and once you are inside Trials, go to the ranks tab up at the very top, and this is going to show you your current rank. For example, Tryhard 2 is a pretty popular rank in the community right now, and you'll see it marked as your current rank in the top right. You can also scroll through the higher ranks to see what rewards you can actually earn as you move up. And if you want to rank up faster, head over to the weekly trial section and complete the challenges in there because they'll give you extra progress towards higher ranks, or check out all of our videos going over the fastest way to level up here in Arc Raiders. But that is how you can check your rank here in Arc Raiders. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.